Okay, well, we may be saying goodbye to old Bessie here. She's had a lot of years of service. She and I have done a whole bunch of jobs together. But the balls come out of the end. I'm having to cram things in there to keep the socket on. And she's got a lot of wear here. And last time this happened with my smaller speed handle, these are both Mac tools. I took it in to have them put another ball in it, and it was like the second time they put a ball in it. And the knob was starting to come loose, and this is the new one that they gave me then. And already I'm starting to show some wear here because it's another several years of. I use this one more often than I do old Betsy. But still, old Betsy and I have done a lot of jobs together. We put in a lot of bolts and taken out a lot of bolts. If I'm going to take her in to have another ball put in her, and they offer me another brand new speed handle, I don't know if I'm going to be able to resist another brand new speed handle, because it is kind of a pain to deal with the ball not being in there, and putting little pieces of paper and cardboard in there. And if they put a new ball in there, it might just come right back out of there. But I mean, do y'all have, let me know in the comments below, do y'all have some tools like that you use and use a whole lot, and sometimes you become just a little attached to them? I mean, if I'd known that they were just going to give me another one of these last time I took it to the ball, I probably would have made a video of the last job I ever used it for too. And I just have a feeling that this is the last job that me and Betsy are going to be doing together. So here's that video of Betsy's last hurrah. See, all these times like this right here, it's kind of like my Excalibur extension, but when I'm putting things back together, I don't want to use power tools. So grab old Betsy here, and see, I don't have to lean over. She's a real back saver. She just reach out and touch something all by herself without me having to do all that bending. Double check and make sure those are good and tight. I'm just barely snugging on these. I'm not like Miguel Gorilla and things. If I was going to do that, I would just use the power tool. But I don't want to do that. Oh, there's a push pin I'm stepping on. Alright guys, last look. There she is. Old Bessie. In all her glory. She's got a lot of miles on her. A lot of pits and scratches and scrapes and a lot of wear and tear. She's done a good job over the years. Let me know about some of your favorite tools in the comments below. I'd like to hear about your favorite tools, and maybe how long you've had them, and how many jobs you've done with them, what kind of tool they are, and whether Matco, Snap-on, Craftsman, whatever. Till the next video. Get off the couch and get dirty. Or should I say, till the next video, get out some of your favorite tools and play with them.